Replace projection, DLP, TV lamps. Alongside the enjoyment that you get from watching on your digital light processing, DLP, television is the responsibility of being aware whenever there are parts of your television that need repair or replacement. One thing that may need replacement is the lamp that can be found inside the DLP television. The same way goes for any LCD or SXRD rear projection television. If you are having a hard time figuring out how to replace projection, DLP, TV lamps, you should no longer be worried because it is a very easy task to do. It simply pays to know on the proper way of performing a removal of a projection television lamp as well as with the installation of its replacement. Here's how. Prepare the necessary materials. When it comes to replacing projection, DLP, TV lamps, there are some materials you need to prepare. Make sure that you have the following: microfiber cloth, replacement television lamp, and Phillips head screwdriver. Place these materials close to your working area in order to have a quick access on them. Cool down the television. Do not start if the television is not yet cool. If the television has been turned on for a long time, turn it off and wait for an hour or so until it becomes cool. Remove the old DLP lamp. To begin, open the compartment where the lamp is situated. You can do this with the use of the Phillips head screwdriver. You will not find it difficult to locate the said compartment. Just look for the area where there is a small square panel, either on the side of the television or on the back. Once you have unscrewed the panel, remove the old lamp. When removing the DLP lamp, do it carefully so as not to cause damage to the lamp. Make sure that there is no obstruction as you slowly pull the lamp out. Wipe the inside of the panel. With the use of the microfiber cloth, wipe the inside of the panel from where the old DLP lamp was removed. Prepare the new replacement lamp. There may be debris on the new replacement DLP lamp, so when you have opened the package, wipe the lamp with the microfiber cloth. Dust it off until there is no visible debris. Install the new DLP lamp. You can easily install the new DLP lamp into the location of the old DLP lamp. Make sure that it is installed securely. Once you are done, get the Phillips head screwdriver and have the panel screwed back into its right place. Plug the television and turn it on. In order to avoid being alert with a message regarding the need to replace the lamp, reset the hours of the television. Taking your time on completing this task is a very important factor that will make things work for you. You can usually save money by removing the old lamp and installing the new lamp by yourself instead of calling a professional to do a simple task.